Hello viewers, our today's topic is discounts. So let's look at when discounts is given, how do you actually do a business. Let's say I am allowing discounts here. A customer is ready to buy a product when a discount is allowed. So let's say you have to give discount on the purchased price. So if somebody is purchasing, you have to give discount on it. So let's say you are doing a business, you purchased an article for 100 rupees or something. So you purchased an article for certain price. So you don't give the discount on the purchased price, right? So nobody gives the discount on the price which you purchased, which means nobody gives discount on the cost price. So you're not going to give discount on the cost price. So if you wish to give discount, what we do? We increase the price of an article. So after increasing the price of an article, then you allow certain percentage of discount. Now based on the percentage that you are increasing and the discount that you are giving, you will get profit or loss. This entire process we are going to look at by using an example now. I am taking a cost price of an article is equals to 100 rupees. So that I can first find percentages easily, I am taking 100 rupees and I am increasing this price by 50%. You call it as a markup percentage. Then you will get a market price, that's 150 rupees. So upon this 150 rupees, you allow discount 20%. What is 20% of 50 rupees? 30 rupees discount. 20% of 150 rupees is 30. Therefore, I am giving 30 discount. Final selling price is 120. Now we look at the relationship between CP and SP. You can say simply it is increasing by 20. So percentage is also 20. So you are getting a profit of 20% here. So look at this entire process here. CP is nothing but cost price. MP is nothing but market price. You can call it as a marked price. You can also call it as a labeled price, or sometimes listed price, sometimes advertised price. So all these prices is nothing but MP only, upon which you are going to give discount. You give discount on marked price, a market price, a labeled price, a listed price, or advertised price, all of this. So after giving a discount, discount is nothing but the percentage decrease. Discount is negative. Now here M percentage you are increasing. We all know SP is selling price. M is nothing but the markup percentage. So this markup is always positive. You are marking it up. So markup percentage is always positive and your discount percentage is always negative. So markup means increase, discount means decrease. Now look at once again carefully. Look at the percentages which are in between these two. First look at in between CP and MP. In between CP and MP you will be having markup percentage. In between MP and SP you will have discount percentage. In between CP and SP you always have profit or else loss. So it depends on markup and discount, your profit loss is decided. Now see here, based on that cycle, this cycle is very important. CP, if you increase it by M percentage, increasing a number by M percentage is nothing but multiply it by 1 plus M by 100, you will get MP. MP, if I decrease it by D percentage, 1 plus D by 100. If I decrease it by D percentage, you will get SP. From CP to SP, if I wish to write it directly, CP you are increasing it by what percentage? 1 plus M by 100. In MP place you substitute this, so it will be 1 plus D by 100. It's 1 minus D by 100 because it is discount. You are increasing it by M percentage, decreasing it by D percentage. You get SP. These are the formulas which are relations between CP, MP and SP. If I take it directly, you are increasing CP by M percentage, you are decreasing it by D percentage, therefore you get, based on this, you get profit or loss. When do you say profit and when do you say loss? You say profit when the result is positive, you say loss when the result is negative. What is X% increase and Y% decrease? We have seen it many times. M% increase and D% decrease is nothing but M minus D minus M into D by 100 is equals to profit or loss. If you get positive result, you say it is profit. If you get negative result, you say it is loss. So when markup percentage discount is given, then how do we decide profit and loss? Based on this formula. There are many methods in order to decide them. Okay, you can take the values and put it, or else you can use this formula also. So this is one of the way. M minus D minus MD by 100 is equals to profit or loss based on the sign that you're going to get. Look at the relation between CP and MP once again, and MP and SP. MP, if you decrease it by D percentage, 1 minus D by 100, which is equals to SP. Equation number 1. Look at the relation between CP and SP. When profit is given, or else when you get profit, 1 plus P by 100. CP into 1 plus P by 100 is equals to SP. When loss occurs, you can say CP into 1 minus L by 100 is equals to also SP. Equation number 3. If I do equation number 1 by 2, MP by CP I get, by 100 anyway cancel, I am going to get 100 minus D by CP into 100 plus P is equals to 1. Therefore, what is MP by CP from this? MP by CP, 100 plus profit by 100 minus discount. 100 plus profit by 100 minus discount. Very, very important formula. Look at the relation between discount and loss. Take 1 by 3. If I do 1 upon 3, I will get MP by CP. When loss and discount are given, you take 100 minus loss divided by 100 plus 100 minus discount. Both of them are negative, negative, because loss is also negative, discount is also negative. So this is the relation between MP, CP, profit, loss and discount. When profit and discount is given, how do we find out the ratio between MP and CP? When loss and discount is given, how do we find out the ratio between MP and CP? Very, very, very important. Basically, discount means, in terms of percentage, it is decrease. Usually they give one discount, but in some special cases they may allow 2 discounts also. If I say X% decrease followed by Y% decrease, which is a single decrease of X plus Y minus XY by 100. So in the same manner, if I allow 2 discount, it is equivalent to D1% decrease followed by D2% decrease is D1 plus D2 minus D1 into D2 by 100. This is the single discount equivalent to a discount series of D1 and D2. Instead of giving D1 and D2, you can also give D1 plus D2 minus D1 D2 by 100. Both of them are same. With an example, I will explain. 10% discount followed by 20% discount. I am giving 2 successive discounts, 10 followed by 20. What is the single discount equivalent to 10, 20? If they ask you, 10 plus 20 minus 10 into 20 by 100. We can say it is 28% discount. Okay. If I take successive discounts 10, 20, it is always less than the sum of successive discounts. Suppose 10 plus 20 is 30, right? But it is less than this 30% of discount. So remember, 10 plus 20, it is 30, but the resultant discount is 28% only. If you went for shopping, there are 2 types of discounts available. First one is flat 30% and the second one is 20% followed by 10%. Second one is 20% followed by 10%. Which discount you choose and why? We choose first discount. So always choose the single discount rather than the double discounts. This double discounts also, if you do sum, you will get 30, but don't think that 20 plus 10 will give you more than 30. No, it will give you actually less than 30. Just now we have seen it will give you 28% discount. So remember, if x plus y together they say flat discount, and the second case x% followed by y%. Here 10 plus 20, 30 directly I am giving you, here 10, 20 separately I am giving. So single discount is always better for customer, double discounts are better for shopkeeper. Okay. So when you choose single discount over the double discounts, you will gain. When you choose double discounts over the single discounts, you will lose. You will lose or gain by how much percentage? X into y by x by 100%, loss or gain. If I ask you, instead of taking 30%, if I take 20 and 10, will you lose or gain? If you take double discounts, you will lose. Therefore, how much you lose if I ask you 20 into 10 by 100, which is equals to 2% I will lose. So with, okay, after if you find out 20 followed by 10, it is going to be 28% and this is 30%. If you compare it is 2% less. So instead of saying all that, you just say x into y by 100, but make sure that you should get a number should be in the form of x plus y. Here this is 20 plus 10, directly flat discount, here 20 followed by 10. Okay. So whenever double discounts are given, don't take double discounts. Double discounts are better for shopkeeper, single discounts are better for customer. Sometimes instead of saying discounts, they say buy 3 get 1 free, buy 3 get 1 free. This is also a type of discount only. If you buy 3, you are getting 1 article free. Now let's say each article cost you 1 rupee. Nothing is set, you are buying 4 articles. In a normal condition, if you buy 4 articles, what is the cost you are getting? You are getting it for 4 rupees. But with this buy 3 get 1, you are buying 4 articles, but you are getting this 4 articles for how many rupees? You are only putting 3 rupees. You understand? So buy 3 get 1 free. Normally 4 rupees cost of articles, you are getting it only for 3 rupees. So you are getting a discount of how much? 4, you are getting only 3. You are getting a discount of 1 article out of 4 articles. So 1 article out of 4 article into 100, which is 25% discount. So if I say buy x get y articles free, then discount is equals to y articles you are getting over totally x plus y articles into 100. Remember, so that you can directly put it. Buy x get y free means discount is y by x plus y into 100. Okay, this formula will give you the direct discount percentage. Now we will look at the sums based on the discussed concepts. A tradesman marks his goods at 20% above the cost price. Then he allows his customers a discount of 8% on the marked price. Find out his gain percent. You can do it in different ways. Now let's try in different ways. Your CP is equals to 100. You are increasing it by 20%. So it is 120. You are giving a discount of 8%. What is 8% of 120? 8 into 120 is 8 into 12 is 96, therefore 9.6 rupees. Therefore the selling price is how much? If you take out 9.6 from this, it is 110.4. You compare these two, you are getting 10.4% extra, that is what you call it as a profit. Therefore profit percentage is equals to 10.4%. If you wish to get without using the values, without using the approximate values, see here. We know M% increase followed by D% decrease is profit or loss. So choose the same thing here. Use the formula. 20 increase means 20 minus 8 minus 20 into 8 by 100. This one is 12 minus 160 by 100 is 1.6. You are getting a profit of 10.4. So, here we are directly using the formula M minus D minus MD by 100. Look at the next sum. A shopkeeper marks his goods 20% above the cost price but allows 30% discount for cash. His net loss is, he is only mentioning that it is loss because your increase is only 20% but he is allowing a discount of 30%, obviously you will get loss. So, you can just increase it by 20%, then you can decrease it by 30%. Increase of 20 plus 20 minus 30 minus 20 into 30 by 100. So, you can say minus 10 minus 6. So, there is a loss of 16%. The formula used is simply M minus D minus MD by 100. Now, look at this sum. A trader marked the selling price of an article at 10% above the cost price. So, markup percentage is 10% here. At the time of selling, he allows a certain discount and he suffers a loss of 1%. So, here loss percentage is given. He allowed the discount of how much percentage? You can use the values here because you know the position. So, I am not writing CPI and all. 100 rupees, you are increasing it 110 rupees, 10%. You are suffering a loss of 1% means you are selling it for 99 rupees. Therefore, can you tell me this? What is a percentage discount? Percentage discount is 11 rupees discount upon 110 into 100. Therefore, you are giving 10% discount. You can use the formula also in order to say so. D percent decrease is 1% decrease. 1% decrease means minus 1. So, you can use 10 minus D minus MD by 100 is D by 10 is equals to minus 1. So, if this goes there, it becomes minus 11. Minus 11 D by 10 is equals to minus 11. D is equals to 10%. But you can use the values and say that is much more simpler than this. Look at the next sum. A dealer marks his goods 20% above their cost price. You are increasing it by 20%. Then he allows some discount. Some discount is allowed, but you are making a profit of 10%. So, we can say this is 100. You are increasing it by 120. You are allowing profit is 10%. So, you should know the positions of it. So, what is a percentage decrease here? Percentage decrease is nothing but percentage discount. Discount percentage is 10 rupees upon 120 into 100. 100 by 12 is 8.1/3 percentage. So, 8.33 or 8.1/3 percentage discount that you have given. You can also say in terms of fraction, or else you can say in terms of percentage. By using a formula also we can say. How do we do this in terms of fraction? See here. First, you are increasing it by 20%. 20% increase means, so here markup, here discount, here profit or loss. Everything in terms of fraction. This is 6/5. We don't know what this fraction is, but profit or loss is 10% increase. Increase means 11/10. So, what should come in this place? X should be what? 5 ones or 5 twos are, therefore 11/12. Now, what is 11/12 indicates? 1/12 decrease. What do you mean by 1/12? 1/12 is 8.33 or 8.1/3. Into 100 you do it, you will get, if you want to convert a fraction to percentage, always you have to do into 100. If you want to convert fraction to the percentage, do into 100. If you want to convert a percentage to fraction, do by 100. Mahabazar offers 20% discount on bags which have been marked 50% above the cost price. You are already increasing it by 50% and then you are allowing a discount of 20%. So, Amarnath pays 840 for a bag, then the cost price of the bag is. So, he is asking you the cost price of the bag and is pays 840. He pays 840 means that is a selling price. Now, see here, you are increasing, let us assume that this is cost price is X. You are increasing it by 50%, then you are allowing a discount of 20. So I would say x is increased by 50, that is 3 by 2 is nothing but 50% increase, 1 plus 1 by 2. Discount of 20 means 1 minus 1 by 5, or else 80 by 100, that is 4 by 5. You are paying how much? 840. 1s, 2s, 6 1s, 6 14s. Therefore, what is your cost price? Is 700. So 700 rupees is your cost price. This is one way of saying this. Other way, in terms of percentage, if you do it, assume that your cost price is 100%, you are increasing it by 50, therefore 150. You are decreasing it by 20. What is 20% of 150? It is 30. Therefore 120%. So your selling price is 120%. Then what is your cost? Your cost price is 12 7s are 84, 100 into 7 is 700 rupees. So here we are using percentages. The marked price of an article is 500. So here is marked price is given. The shopkeeper gives a discount of 5% and still makes a profit of 25%, the cost price of the article. So here the relation between MP, CP, discount and profit. We remember the formula, MP by CP is equals to 100 plus profit by 100 minus discount. Whenever you use it next time, without this formula you should be able to write down the values. Market price is 500. Profit is 25%, 125. Discount is 5%, therefore 95. 125 1s, 125 4s. CP is equals to 95 into 4 is 380 rupees. We are getting directly by using this formula. The formula, when profit and discount is given, 100 plus profit by 100 minus discount. When loss and discount is given, it is 100 minus loss by 100 minus discount. If the discount is equals to 1/5 of the marked price and the loss is half of the discount, then the percentage of loss is, we'll take everything by value, nothing is given, so you can take whatever the value that you want. So let the market price, discount is equals to 1/5 of the marked price. So let's say the marked price is 100, discount is 1/5 of 100, which means 20 rupees discount is given, therefore your selling price is 80 rupees. Selling price is 80, and he also says then the percentage of loss. Loss is how much? And the loss is half of discount. You are getting 10 rupees loss. If you are getting 10 rupees loss, your cost price would have been 90 rupees. Then only you are selling it for 80 and you are getting a loss of 10 rupees. Therefore, what is the loss percentage? Loss percentage is 10 rupees out of 90 into 100. 11.11 or else 11 1/9% it is. Simply by taking the values we are doing it. A shopkeeper allows a discount of 10% on the marked price of an item, but charges a sales tax of 8% on the discounted price. If the customer pays 3402 as the price including the sales tax, then the marked price is, see here, he is allowing a discount of 10 on the marked price, but he charges 8%, which means you are decreasing the price by what? You are decreasing the MP value by 10%. It is decrease 9 by 10. You are increasing it by 8%, 108 by 100 is equal to 3402. Cancel it in 9 table. We can say it is 9 3s are 27. Therefore, how much is left? 4 plus 3, 7. 9 7s are 63. Again 9 8s are. Again you can cancel it in 12 table or else 9 table. 9 12s are, 9 4s are 36. 9 2s are, 6 2s are, 6 7s are. If you cancel that, it will get 3.5. MP is equals to 3.5 into 1000 is 3500. So marked price of an article is 3500. You are decreasing it by 10%, then you are increasing it by 8%. You are equating it to 3402. In terms of percentage also you can do it. How? You are decreasing it by 10%, increasing it by 8%. The result is minus 10 plus 8 minus 0.8. Minus 2 minus 0.8 is minus 2.8. Minus 2.8 means 97.2. If 97.2% of MP is 3402, then what is 100%? You will get 3500. Just cross multiply it, you will get that. This is by using the percentage. Look at this question. A dealer of a scientific instrument allows 20% discount on the market price of the instrument and still makes a profit of 25%. If he gain over the sale of an instrument is rupees 150, find the marked price of an instrument. So you have to find out the marked price and the gain is given, which is 150. A dealer allows a discount of 20, but the marked price of an instrument, still he makes what? 25% profit. So it's clearly telling you that 25% of profit. 25% is 150 means what is 100%? Into 4, 600 rupees. So the cost price is 600. He is allowing 20% discount and marked price and he makes 25% profit. First M% increase, let us say just 600 or else just take 100. We know the formula M increase, D decrease, profit you are getting. Try to find out M value from this. We know CP is 600, M minus discount is 20%, minus 20 into M by 100, that is M by 5, is equals to 25. Take this 4M by 5 is equals to 45. So M is equals to 45 into 5 by 4. So 225 by 4%. This is in terms of fraction, but in terms of percentage. In terms of fraction, if I convert 225 by 400, what fraction you are increasing? 25 16s, 25 9s. So you are increasing it by 9 by 16. So increase of 9 by 16 is nothing but you are increasing 600 by 9 by 16, 25 by 16. Cancel it. Cancel it in 8 table. 8 2s, 8 7s, then 5s. 25 into 75 by 2. So first do, you get 5s are 125, 25 7s are 175, 175 plus 12 is 187. By 2 you have to do. So it is 937.5. So you are going to get 937.5, or else you can also take it directly. You can take the values when you know the values. We know that the cost price is 600. This one is 750 because 25% profit. You are giving 20% discount, right? Upon MP you are giving 20% discount. So what is MP? 20% discount is 4 by 5th is equals to 750. So MP is equals to 750 into 5 by 4. You are going to get 937.5. This will be much more easier. Okay. So directly take the values. 4 by 5th of MP is equals to 750. MP is equals to 937.50. So far we have seen, in this chapter we have seen the concept of discounts and few sums based on the discounts. In the next class we will see few more sums based on discounts and what happens when 2 discounts are given and so on. Until then, thank you.